Hi, my goal with this module is for you to feel like you know how this course works and you're comfortable navigating through it, and that you have right here at the beginning all the information you need to feel like you're able to do the course well and succeed. So I'm asking you at the beginning to read through all of these navigation elements, to find out how we communicate, to read carefully the syllabus, and what you read will appear in the cute little syllabus quiz that I've arranged for you. Um, and then the course policies, also very important. And the other thing I want to do is to actually give you a little peek inside the book that you're getting here at the beginning. The company is called Pearson. You're getting a straightforward e-textbook. What you see on the screen here looks a little different because it's their expensive Revell bells and whistles, and we don't need that, so I don't want you to spend that extra money. What I'm doing, though, is taking a look here at the table of contents, which is the same whichever version of the book you get, so that you see that we're going to be working with specific chapters, beginning with chapter 7. And then we'll be moving to chapter 8, and then we skip forward to chapter 15, because this course focuses on a specific geographical region and time period. And then we move along from chapter 15 through 18, and we'll actually be going forward then until chapter 19. So the book is arranged really chronologically. This is an art history class, and we're always thinking about how art changes as time moves and cultures evolve. So I'm just peeking in here to help you get a sense of how the book will be working for you to help give you historical background. And most importantly, the book provides, this is going very slow, it's not loading very quickly. The book provides the artworks that we use as our main objects of investigation. So one of the reasons it's important to have the book is it essentially compiles a vast number of artworks, important artworks, and it provides your resource for getting to know those artworks. That's one of the things you do in an art history class, is you actually come to know certain artworks. And so that's one of the ways we'll be using the book. So I hope that quick little introduction was helpful, and we will be talking soon in other formats.